Hello everyone, today my name is Doge, and today we are going to be getting the Boeing 737. If you don't know what the Boeing 737 is, it is basically the most common airline to fly on. It's used by Southwest, and I actually have been on a Southwest flight before. As you can see, we're going to start boarding, but they didn't have business class. It's only for those out of country ones. But then we're not going to ever go out of country. But here's the plane I have currently. This is the big plane, if you want to see it. I did get a game pass that allows you to make Doge, just random stuff on your tail. I have Doge, since Doge Airlines is Doge Airlines, and Doge is Doge, because Doge is Doge and Doge and Doge. I don't know what I was saying there, but today we're gonna get the 737, which is very nice, speaking of the whole fact that it's the most common airplane in this world.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard
Once
the
again,
flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
You know, I just want that intercom guy to be fired from his job. He's annoying me.
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
Haha, I took your seat, Willow. Have fun walking back there right next to the poopers. Alright, taking off. That isn't normal.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendant should start their in-flight service
walking
shortly.
Up here to take my seat?
Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Sheesh. Anyways, I'll start from the back. So let's go give her Coca-Cola. Yeah, you deserve that Coca. Coca-Cola is very dangerous for these NPCs. It'll make them go crazy and not fasten their seatbelt. Anyways, look. I'm just smacking this in their face. Bonk, 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 bonk. I'm probably annoying Willow the heck out of her, in fact. Right, let's get back to our job. Otherwise, we probably won't get the 737. I want to get the 737 today. But if we don't, I'm sad boy. I will be sad. I literally am looking out the window and I see trash outside. Oh my goodness, people don't like this earth anymore. That's kind of sad. Anyways, by the way, this is the outside of the plane. I really like the outside because, one, it has good interior, and two, Doge. Anyways, I'm not gonna show you a flight with the 737 because it would be too long a video. Don't skip immediately. Just don't click on this video or something, because I still will show you what the 737 looks like. Then I'll do a flight off camera. Okay. So she'll do that, and then I'll go ahead and do the back people and their food. Go. Now obviously, go BRRT. I just don't know why most people don't have the Doge head anymore. It's like I know it's a dead meme, but it's not a dead meme to me. Memes just die so quickly. What? Eat. Yes. Cook. Right? We're almost done, and then we're gonna get the 737.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Yes. We actually do. Because then we're gonna get a 737. Man, I wish the trash bags, like, you could empty them out instead of your NPCs doing it. Because I actually want the full flight attendant experience. What's your guys' future job? Comment down below. What is your guys' future job? Because, mine, I feel like it would be flight attendant. Comment down below.
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Wait, so he had normal eyes, and then he just put sleepy goggles on him. The heck? I didn't know that was a thing in this game. Yeah, like, she did it too. Descending from your main altitude isn't that long. Right? Gonna take your seat. Gonna take your seat. Gonna take... Haha, I took your seat. Now go to the back. We're landing now. Anyways, final glimpse of Doge Air Flight 999. Even though that was not the number of the flight. Right. I wanna look at chat. I'm just gonna say eat. I can't lie. Right. Thanks for flying with us, passengers. Thanks for flying. We hope you enjoyed. Smash that like button. And let's go ahead and see a 737. Oh, and by the way, all of you, including you, Willow, in the back, you all better subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, you're going off this plane first, and you're going to be permanently banned from this airline. So, go ahead and enjoy yourself here at LA. I think I sent this. Yeah, I sent this to LA. I think. I can't remember. Or Seattle. I think Seattle's in America or Canada. I don't know. I don't know where we went to, but we're somewhere. Right. Excuse me. I will be closing. Right. About to get tons of money for this. Since oh wait! Oh, I was closing them! I shouldn't have done that. Man, I'm such failing. I suck at this game. When it comes to this... Wait. Willow, I'm gonna... Oh yeah, we went to LA. I can buy it! I can buy the Boeing 747! Yeah! Let's go buy it. I'm gonna buy it and then upgrade it to Doge Airlines by one. We must have the ID of the Doge head on the wing, not like the big wing, like the back top wing, whatever it's called, tail wing. Then we need to have Doge Air on the side of it, and then it'll be perfect. Perfect. So let's go ahead and buy it. Let's go ahead and look inside the plane. Here's business class, and then here's economy class. So this is a good airplane. However, we do need to change it up since it doesn't look good. So let's go ahead and make this more colorful, shall we? Let's go ahead and make the bottom, and then windows, no. Windows stay normal color on Doge Air. And then boom. Right, so we have a blue airplane now. We could change the seats. First class gets blue. And then the back gets gray, because I don't want to give them a dominance to assert. We'll give them dominance to assert. Nice. Right, I think that our plane is complete. As you can see, all seats are blue, path is blue, and then we have the beautiful back area. Right. It's time. Side text. Fancy. Doge Air. There we go, Doge Air! This is actually pretty cool. We got a big aircraft now. Let's check how much flight attendants can be fit on here. So 1, 2, 3. We can hire all of our flight attendants. This is so good. Right. I'm gonna do something. Don't mind me. I'm just looking on YouTube to try and find the Doge ID code. So give me a minute. Yeah. So now that we got the newest plane to our fleet, this is so good. Alright. 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 Let's go, go, go. Yep. Yes, very indeed. 4, 39, 39, and 7. Right. Yes! Da 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 da. So you can make it small if you want. I'm gonna make it big boy. Big boy. Wait. Business. Oh, so this doesn't have first class. Business class is first class, I think. Oh wait, no, business class is for travelers, like work travelers, right? Or if it's just a random type, I don't know. But we have business class, and then so the new update coming out has the A330. Wait, no, A380, and it's probably gonna have first class, business, and economy. However, I will grind to get a first class seat airplane. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you liked and enjoy this video. So goodbye now, I have to go.